We noticed that after the last FluxHeat video went up, a lot of viewers left comments saying the Mellow didn't show enough details or go deep into what's actually new or upgraded. We appreciate your comments, and you'll see all the details in this video. So, first up, the weight. There's not a huge difference between the two extruders, mainly because FluxHeat uses a metal build. That metal structure makes it way more sturdy and durable compared to plastic ones. And on the hot end, we've expanded the heating surface area, which helps transfer heat more efficiently and increases flow for faster, smoother printing. Let's take a look at how their printing has changed. We used the 0.28mm layer height and the standard 0.4mm nozzle for this print. Both prints were performed using ludicrous mode at 166% speed. The print quality in ludicrous mode wasn't particularly good. Our main focus was comparing the performance of the extruder and hot end. When using the original hot end, noticeable defects appeared under high-speed printing and high-flow conditions. In the end, you can see that the stock hot end just can't keep up at high print speeds. The flow isn't enough, so the walls end up with gaps or missing parts. Of course, we can also tweak the pressure advanced settings in the slicer software to improve print quality, which further proves this kit is capable of handling higher flow rates